Wiper blades are essential for keeping your windshield clear and ensuring safe driving in rain, dust, or fog. The two main types, frameless and framed wiper blades, differ in design, performance, and durability. Understanding these differences helps you choose the best option for your car and driving conditions. Frameless wiper blades are designed as a single, smooth piece without any external frame, giving them a clean and modern appearance. Their structure allows them to curve naturally along the windshield, improving contact. In contrast, framed wiper blades use a metal framework with multiple joints and linkages to support the rubber blade. These moving parts help distribute pressure, but also make the design more complex. Because of this, framed blades look more traditional and slightly bulky. Frameless blades are built to apply even pressure across the entire length of the windshield, which helps deliver a smooth and streak-free wipe. This uniform contact improves visibility, especially during heavy rain. On the other hand, framed blades depend on several pressure points created by their joints, which may not always distribute force evenly. This can sometimes result in small streaks or missed spots on the glass. Frameless wiper blades work very well in harsh weather like snow and heavy rain, because they have no joints to freeze. Their flexible design helps them move smoothly even in cold conditions. Framed wiper blades can trap snow and dirt in their joints, which reduces performance. This may cause uneven wiping or poor function in extreme weather. Frameless blades tend to last longer because they have fewer moving parts that can wear out over time. Their solid design reduces the risk of mechanical failure and maintains performance for a longer period. The materials used are often more resistant to environmental damage like heat and moisture. In contrast, framed blades have multiple joints and exposed components that are more prone to wear and tear. Over time, these parts can loosen or corrode, affecting performance. This makes frameless blades a more durable option in the long run. Framed wiper blades are generally more affordable and widely available, making them a common choice for many vehicle owners. Frameless blades, however, are usually more expensive due to their advanced design and better materials. Both wiper blades have their own benefits, and the right choice depends on your needs and budget. If you want better performance, durability, and a modern design, frameless blades are a great option. However, if you are looking for budget-friendly and widely available choice, framed blades can still do the job well.